everyone!
Good morning!
And welcome back to our channel, Gotta Go Orlando!
Yay! But before we start, let's roll them titles.
We are going to the Magic Kingdom for our first full day at the Magic Kingdom.
By ferry.
By ferry, yeah.
You forgot about that, didn't you? We're on a boat.
Are you looking forward to your first full day at Disney?
Yes.
We're so excited, aren't we?
Yeah.
Dean, what are you most looking forward to do?
Getting inside the place. Like now.
Now. Yeah, so we've got a lot planned for today, but of course we have to try and meet Mickey today, don't we?
Yep. You want
First.
to meet Mickey?
You need to meet Mickey.
You need to meet Mickey.
Shane has never met Mickey Mouse before.
I've seen him on the TV. On the telly box.
On the telly box, so he's very famous.
TV, yeah.
Very famous, isn't he?
He is indeed.
And you've even got him, look.
Yeah.
And turn round, show your backpack. Woo! And I have got my Disney dress on today. I have my purple
Lounge fly
lounge
outfits,
fly.
nothing. That's why Shane has to carry all the big backpacks. What she keeps by me. Look at all your big backpack, Shane. It's Disney, Shane. Look, you can fit everything in it, Shane.
Plus, I have done my eye makeup to go with the purple wall today, and I have my silver ears on. Yeah, I'm just so excited.
I brought my legs so I can walk, my arms so I can carry things. Ready, we're almost here, we're docking!
Ah! Oh my god! Magic Kingdom during the day! So everyone, now we are off the boat!
And heading through to scan in and get into the kingdom.
Yes! Oh, so exciting! And look, I really love, oh look at our annual passes, look at them! Oh, so excited to have them.
Yeah, finally. How many years in the waiting?
Yeah, I actually forgot I was going to bring all my other ones with me because I wanted to do like a picture of like how different the cards have changed like over the years. Because I've got...
It's so bad that you forgot. So
well, I can bring it with me anytime. But I've got like 4 or 5, like I've got like all the different versions. But I definitely have to say, I think this is obviously going to have to be the favourite because it's a 50.
You can frame them.
Yeah. Well, I need to wait until this one's done, until they give us the next one, and then I can bring them. We're here for the 50th, here we go. And my first ever visit was the 25th.
There you go, halfway there.
So yeah, it's crazy. But let's get into the park. Let's get you, look guys, let's let you see it here. What do you think you're enjoying the day now?
Copy that. If you're enjoying this live stream, everyone, don't forget we've got our YouTube channel. Link in my bio. Click that and smash subscribe for all of Disney content, theme parks and all that. parade. There you go.
But you can't wait now to go and actually meet them now. I can't wait. Everyone, now we are in front of Cinderella's castle. Shane's just snipped in front of me. He's running, he's grabbing pictures, so he's like trying to get all these different photographs, and it's like nuts. So yeah, so it's crazy, but yeah, it's really good. Shane's away to go get some pictures like I said, and it's just so magical back. And I am loving the new colours of the castle. I just think it's so nice, and yeah, really good. Festival Fantasy. Oh, amazing as always. I was crying like a baby. You couldn't see me because I kept the camera on. Obviously a classic bin. Classic Disney bin. So yeah, so she's away, like I say, grabbing the pictures. I'm going to go and have to try and find them because I cannot see them. And it looks like everybody's wearing the same colour shirt as them today, so that's going to be good. Let's try and see if we can find them. Find the Shane in Magic Kingdom. Wish me luck. Shane, he was running off, taking pictures like I said. How many photos do you think you've got on your phone now?
One or two.
Just what?
Just one or two.
Just one or two. I think we need to go on to your Google Drive.
Yeah.
Look what we're watching! I don't think there's any other ride like this, is there?
No.
Hi ho!
Someone's happy.
Hi ho! Stomp! Hi ho! Hi ho! It's off.
Right, let's go and join the queue then.
That doesn't take much convincing to go on it.
No.
So
Might as well join queues because they're all going to be quite long today.
Yeah,
it's very busy.
It's very busy today, yeah. But you know what? We're at the
There's
Magic
fans in
Kingdom.
queues, so.
Are you ready? Let's go! That man at the front, he was enjoying it. He was screaming his head off.
Was he enjoying or was he just very scared? Who knows?
You decide.
Cool. So it's a 65-minute wait.
Yes. And it is hot, hot, hot.
It's roasting, but at least they've got fans in the queues.
It's nice though.
Yeah. Estimating around about 90 today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be a hot day. But it's alright. It'll be fun.
Are you looking forward to 9K?
I am, and then I think we're going to head over to Space Mountain. Mountain. There you go. You wanted a bigger stone for your ring.
Yeah, I do.
Just got to pull it out of the grit, that's all.
What one should I get? What one should I get? The one should, this one?
Yeah,
this
definitely
one?
the orange one.
I think this one.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh.
No, that one.
I think that one. It would complement the other stones.
Yeah.
Or do I just take them all?
Why don't you just take all the old stones out and just put one of them in?
Like all them though?
You can't put all of them in.
Blue maybe?
You won't be able to move your hand.
That one, maybe that one?
Just wave your hands right under the spout to make the music come out. You're brand new. You've got time. You've got time. Do you want me to go, Emma?
Yeah, I'll go, yeah.
You just can't reach that last one, can you? Gotta spin them barrels.
Look out, look out.
Look at the ceiling, guys. Keep them barrels spinning.
There's Holly.
I'll get in there.
Emma,
Yeah?
they're instructions, they're not a game.
I was joking.
No, it wasn't you thought that was an actual game.
No. It says
The
only
game is
2
how
per
to
row.
sit. How to sit on the train.
Thinking of how to
Are you sure? I said I'd walk you to your front door. There you go. Have a nice evening. Bye, Emma. We're going, guys. Choo-choo. Woo! Into the mine. Ooh, look at all them diamonds, Emma. La 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 la, hi ho, bit of a party I'm going in there.
Why do I feel like someone else is watching them? Could there be someone else watching them?
Watching who?
Well, why don't you just look in here?
There's a witch. There. The witch.
There's always a witch.
There's always a witch. Boo to the witch. An awesome little kids coaster. Loved
awesome,
it.
Isn't it?
It's awesome. And I like the bit in the middle. The little themed bit in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, there's a cottage, there's Snow White.
There's a cottage. But the witch is on the other side of that. Boo to the witch. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. And now we're going to head to our next attraction, probably. We'll just take it as it goes.
Yeah, we'll get our sale out and we'll check the app and see what's a good time to go to where we're going to go next.
I think you mean mobile phone.
Cell phone.
It's a lot easier to say mobile phone than cell.
I'm just used to saying cell phone.
You never called it a cell phone in the UK.
So Shane, are you ready to go through the castle for the first time?
I am indeed.
Let's go. That's the royal table.
That
Here.
looks like a counter to me.
Look,
You said it was
you're
a table.
missing it. What do you think? Isn't that beautiful?
It's lovely and cool in here, that's what I think.
What do you think?
I love the mosaic tiles.
Just
Yeah. All the detail, guys. And you're inside the castle.
Look, there's a horse and carriage.
Horse and
It's so
carriage.
beautiful, isn't it?
What tiles are they, babes?
Let's see it.
Yay!
Look, there's a big castle door.
There's a big, for such a big building, I thought there'd be more rooms.
There's a lot of rooms upstairs.
But you said you were taking me in the castle.
Look, there's...
Love it. That's what it is.
Shane wants to go and have a quick look at the ice cream, don't you, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, brownie sundae. Have you seen so much food that you just want to try?
Yeah, there's just too much food in Orlando to eat.
And we're struggling. We had food all day yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, we didn't stop eating all day.
Do you think we should go and do the people mover?
Want to do the people hoover?
I see something. I see something.
I see misters.
I know Shane's gonna want to go to the misters. So we will film Shane go through the misters. You happy?
Go and have fun and I'll see you in a couple of days.
So everyone, now we are heading to Space Mountain. And then I think we're going to do the people mover after that. Or I like to call it the people hoover.
Thinking my name now.
Literally, genuinely, I can't remember, it was so many vlogs ago. But we spoke about, obviously, when we were coming back and like when I was a kid. And I used to, when the people mover used to get around to the section with Space Mountain, I really did think that it was going to suck me out of the chair and send me around in Space Mountain. So that's why I call it the people hoover. Are you excited? Sheeny!
Very excited. It's very hot.
I'm feeling hot. Here we go. Hello.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and hops. For a safe space flight, you should be in good health and free from high blood